Alright, so I replaced both ignition coils and spark plug wires. Still not starting. And just for some backstory on this motor, I've already done a full carb rebuild. I've done a fuel pump rebuild. I have put a new starter solenoid in. No, excuse me, I have not put a starter solenoid in this one. I have done the impeller. So I know it's not fuel related. I also just drained all the fuel out of the gas tanks and double checked that. But it has new spark plugs. There's not a whole lot left to do besides this kill switch. So we're gonna give it a shot. If I remember correctly, this is a 5/16, and we got lucky because I did remember it this time. If you notice, there's 2 bolts here. There was one here, but I snapped it off. So, rip. Trying to let gravity be my friend here a little bit. Might have to undergo and finding this socket, but I think this will work. If I can find the patience. What are we doing here? Feels like that should come. There we go. Just a little guy. Everything comes out. So I have a little bit of a dilemma here because my 2 options are I can either cut the wires off this new switch, cut the wires off this old switch, and wire it straight in. But I don't know. I mean, like, I think like that will be easiest because I can obviously see which wire is which wire in that case. My other option is I can come up here and I can run it through this jacket here like normal, all up and through here, and then it comes out of this jacket right here, and then it picks up right here, and then it's just these 2 wires right here. So it's literally just this piece. You can see the original one down there. It comes up through here, and it comes out right there, and it is just those 2 wires. One of those wires goes to the center plug right there, and then the ground goes here. The problem with that is, since it's in this jacket, I don't know which one is the positive and the negative. I assume that's why they might have cut it here to put some type of test on it, but I don't have any of that equipment. There's no cuts in the wire or anything, so you know, I don't think it's a big deal to leave the jacket exposed. Like I said, I think my safest bet is to cut the wire off as close to the new old switch as I can, and then just plug, like just do like a quick watertight connect there and see what happens, because I feel like do that up here. I'm just guessing which one. Obviously I know this one's negative, but I don't know how wrapped up this wire is and all that. Like you can already see it twisted up in there, so I don't know, you know, comes on, I don't know which one is the negative and positive on the switch. So like I said, we'll see what happens here. So after everything was all said and done, I replaced this coil pack, both of these coil packs actually. Still didn't have spark. I replaced the spark plug wires, still didn't have spark. And then I replaced this kill switch, and I still didn't have spark. I did the easy way, like I just kind of like cut the switch off and like crimped it, and then heat shrunk it and everything, so it's watertight. But I just didn't run the new cable all the way through the housing, and then the only thing that's left to do now is the power pack. So I'm just waiting for that to come in today, and then I'll make a video on replacing that, and we'll see what happens with it.